friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about two words phrases. Be quiet. Be quiet. The teacher told us to be quiet. Clean up. He promises his wife that he will clean up his mess. Take care. He takes care of his grandfather. Be calm. She is calm now. She has stopped crying. Good idea. It was a really good idea. Finish it. I have to finish my homework on time. Slow down. This cold really slowing me down. Take bath. I am going to take a bath. No problem. I have no problem with that. Your turn. It's your turn to drive. If you like our video, please hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.